All right. This one, did not want to make, but got to be accountable. Big red today. Big red. Like 15K overall. You can make some excuses, but I'm swinging Amazon SPY and AMD. They're all down. I think what's going to save me, stupidly, is this debt ceiling news. At the end of the day, basically, the debt ceiling stuff, like they came out like say, hey, it's gonna be good talk, or it's gonna work out, and SPY took off at the end of the day, in after hours. So we'll see what happens. With that, I might just have to, put my foot in my mouth. If I do come out green, I'm not gonna be happy about it. Like, the only thing I'd be happy about coming out green, I'd be happy about my Amazon and my AMD swings for sure. But the SPY swing, no, it's dumb of me to swing it. I was up too big time on it, kept holding it, and then I had a work meeting and I was like, oh, I'll hold it, maybe it'll just, and the market closed during the meeting. Yeah, it was dumb. So gotta learn the lessons though, right? Broke my rules and get smacked in the face for it. Let's take a look at what I did. Got chopped up real bad in the beginning of the day too, and then almost came back, and then I ate it. I'm in it. It's just a weird morning too. Like, I set my alarms for 5 to get up and work out, and then do pre-market. Slept right through them. Just, I don't know, excuses, but just an off day. And like, if I haven't, listen to all these podcasts and stuff that I listen to, and these guys are out of rhythm. They don't even trade until they've got the rhythm back, and I am just looking at stuff. Anyways, I missed the opening volatility too, so then I get caught in this chop. So I'm entering at 1036, which is in here, right? And I'm looking for a break up, continuation, right? We've crossed here, looking for continuation on that. Get smoked, and I'm out at 1043, which is this candle here, for a big loss. Then I go again on the puts, do okay here. 46, I swap right over, right? Boom, do good on the puts, 66 to 80. Sell 125 at 80. Then 75 for a loss because we come right back up. So I'm holding too long on that. Thankfully, the 125, that's 2/3 the position. So the loss there didn't do bad. I basically broke even. A couple $100 is all. Then I'm in at 1104 for 85, 150. That's this candle here. I'm looking for the break. And then 90 and 83. So big little loss there, tiny win there. Ends up again just a couple $100 even. Out at 36 and 38. So 11, 36 and 38. So we just couldn't break above this zone here, right? This like 419.30 and then this 419.60. These are just so strong. We hit 1, 2, 3 something, and we're gonna break. It took all day for us to break out of it, and when we did, it wasn't even that strong of a break. We got this test up here to 420.25, and everything was just like, because they were talking about the debt ceiling actively in the meeting, so no one liked it, and it was just getting chopped around. Then I buy the 420s here, 33.24. It's a loss. 11.42 again. I'm trying to look for the breakout. 11.42. That's this candle. I'm looking for the test, right? Thinking, higher low. Yeah, no, we got smoked. I'm out at 24. Then I'm in at 42. This is the swing for May 23rd. Right? Is this a May 23rd? Oh yeah, this is a 1 day. No, 22nd of May. Sorry. 22nd of May. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Then I'm out 42 and 21 in 11.56. That's this candle. And out at 12.50. Had a chance to go green. And I let it go all the way down, thinking like, we're just, we're going to get there. No, that was a big loss. That one was dumb. I think I let this one go. Yeah, I think I let this one go below 50%, which is really breaking my rules. So just bad. Not happy about it. Then I'm in Amazon 58. Before I go on these Amazons though, like like trading, looking for the range break is fine. But at this point, like, okay, I miss what, 20-30% on a massive move if we do actually break above this. And we're just chopping in here, right? I just need to wait. If I get burned on the first time through and I see that, we're not, like right here, I shouldn't have taken any more trades in this section here. And I took like 2, we just went over. So, the morning volatility, sure enough, by like 10:30, the volatility's done. That's where I needed to be done trading. If I take any like puts in here to here, maybe. But this 418 to 419 range, or 419, 30, 40 range, I shouldn't have even traded this. It's got to sit on my hands, right? And I'm trying to force something. I'm trying to look at what I could have done differently. If I am going to enter, I should have entered off the 200. Right here. And then just keep a tight stop. That would be a scalp, right? 4878 to 50, yeah. But gotta look for better setups. All right, anyways. I'm gonna take the loss tomorrow. It is what it is if it comes out one way. But I think this debt ceiling talk is what's gonna save my bacon. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be proud of it. Kind of like I was listening to Rake Trades talk about this on Jay Dunn's podcast today, where it's an older episode, a month ago or so, but he, his biggest loss to win was like down 30K, and he ended up making 100K out of it. But he's like, it's a terrible trade. It shouldn't have worked out in his favor, and it did. It was like a Netflix had news or something. Okay. Anyways, so then this was smarter me trading my edge, I feel like, which is right something that has run up and is now consolidating, really starting to chop, and I'm picking the direction. Which way is it going? I'm waiting for this to cross above VWAP, and I see that we're slowly trending up. So I enter in 1255. Boom, right here, right? I'm happy about my entry, and we're just slowly grinding, right? These are 4 days out. They go till Friday. I'm good. SPY gets above VWAP right here, and these go up to like 20%. I don't sell them. I buy SPY again. 1258. 1255. What am I? This candle here. This is not a bad entry, right? Finally, I'm playing the 200. And it's support, I buy here, and then I hold these, hold through this. That's the swing. The reason I'm able to hold it a little bit longer, because it's for the 23rd. They expire tomorrow, and they're 20 calls. These also went up to like 25-30%. I didn't sell them. In the midst of that, I catch a news play. This is my only like real decent trade of the day. And we've seen this before, right? Where I feel like I'm decent at these. I feel like I'm good at these, actually. Catching these news plays. The first candle's gone. I wait for a retracement, and I grab the retracement dip. So I enter at 1326. So we can look at what that is. 13, 24, 25, 26. Yep. So here's the retracement, right? And I catch the bottom of the retracement. Right back up. Boom, I'm out for like, it was like $2,200, I think. Let me look. How do I see the freaking components? Oh, here it is. It's right in front of my face. Yeah, $2,200. Which, cool, but that was a good trade. I'm good at those news plays catching them, and if they've gone, I catch their retracement. Sweet. So I'm out of that, and then I buy these AMD swings, which I like this too. Same thing, right? My edge, where the 5 minute. something's run and it's flat, just chopping where we're going, and then the 1 hour of AMD. Oops, what the heck? 1 hour looks like this. Oh, that's a key level. 1 hour looks like this, right? We're coming up cup and handle on the 1 hour, just about. So I like that. Went for 110 on those. And yeah, they closed red as well because at the end of the day, we came back down a little bit. They're not down a whole lot, I think. 7%, 8% on Amazon, and then freaking 3% off of me selling these 420s. So my average cost is 99 cents. It's trading at 72. Yeah, like I said in the beginning, I'll get lucky if this runs off that. But I entered them, thinking, okay, we're finally going to get a range break. I'm getting destroyed by theta decay on all of these trades in here, where I'm just getting roasted on theta decay. I mean, I had some nice scalps, and I just, if I'm going to scalp, I got to scalp, take larger size off for some of them. And it's just going to be a consistency thing, right? Because I had these massive runners on Thursday and Friday of last week, caught the puts perfectly here, and then, caught the calls perfectly on Thursday, coming up out of this range and out of this range. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit of, question of consistency. Bitcoin's ripping a little bit today, big green above the 5. Whoa. Bull flag range break. Get in there. Anyways, the only thing too with the SPY though, the other reason why I went for this, I would have let's see, let me get in there, hang on. Yeah, the only other reason, right? Like SPY is flagging and we're now above this wedge that I have in here too. This purple, it's tough to see because I have so many lines, right? But we're above this, so I like that, and we stay even with yesterday's close, open rather, of 418.62. So that's the close. Close 418.62. Yeah, that's the close. Anyways, so I might get my cheeks chewed tomorrow and I get roasted, right? Or the debt talks tonight were positive enough and then nothing will change in the morning that it'll kick me above 420 and we can get into this blue sky area up in here of 420.39, which is now a level. And this 420.88 is a level. That's what we're looking at. Don't have much after that because SPY hasn't been there in a minute. Anyways, yeah, it sucks. Got all my mistakes though, being accountable for it. Big loss. Might flip tomorrow. I brought it back to today, like just about. I don't know what the screen is for tomorrow, but yeah, that super sucks. I brought it back today too to like only down like 1K. At that point, I should have sold, right? So that's when like SPY popped here. This pop here, right? I'm up. I'm only down like $1,000, $1,300 overall on the day. So I made back like the 3 botched chop trades in here, but still wasn't able to. And I just didn't sell, which I should have. It's dumb. Should have sold at least 3/4. And I'm thinking, oh, they're one day out. They can go. Sick double bottom here. Sick double top tweezer here. Like, if that doesn't scream puts, I don't know what does. GG's.